Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to make a YouTube short in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing to and liking the video. CapCut is a great video editor to make YouTube shorts with, and YouTube shorts have some specific requirements. We'll guide you through them. Or the media in the top left, and we can then go and drag it into our timeline like so. The video needs to be in the vertical 9:6 format. So, what you need to do is come below the video player, find a ratio, and click on it. And you want to select 9:16 like so. You can then go and select the media. And in the preview, you can resize it. You can also do that to the right as well. And repeat that for each clip. Shorts need to be less than 60 seconds. So consider that you can make further edits. And when you're ready, press export in the top.